How to see who viewed your Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see who viewed your Instagram story. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on your profile icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. Now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the story section. Now here you will see the story that you have posted. And to view who viewed your story, what you can do is you can just tap on the views icon, or you can just swipe up from down section to see the viewers, and there on the next pop-up there you will see the list of viewers who viewed your Instagram story. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.